Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Gizmobeep. So today in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2026 edition of the REDTIGER F7N Elite, one of the most popular and probably the highest selling dash camera from the brand of REDTIGER. So I personally tried and tested out the F7 Elite quite some time ago, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a full review of this new unit. So this basically shoots a 4K resolution from the front camera, has a Star-Vis 2 sensor built inside, shoots a full HD resolution from the rear. This also gets a GPS inside, gets a touchscreen, gets Wi-Fi 6, 5.8 GHz, and has a lot of interesting and cool features which you should definitely know about. So starting off, as soon as you do open up the box, you get this sheet showing you all the details of the camera. You also get an F7N Elite user manual and also a quick app book. Additionally, you also get 4 electrostatic stickers along with a thank you and a feedback card. And here is the main front camera, the F7N Elite, a smart and a sleek looking dash cam with a super large display, a super wide display at the back, gets control buttons up and down and mode button on one side. You get a power button on the other side, and you do also get a free memory card pre-inserted into the camera. So this is a 128 GB REDTIGER branded memory card, and if you do try to purchase this separately, you will get it at a cost of about close to 4,000 rupees. So you're getting a free 4,000 rupee worth of memory card straight inside the box. So this is the mount for the camera. As you can see, you get 4 different pins right here. These pins align to these 4 connectors right down below, and once you just slide it onto the main body, the mount fits into the camera and you're good to go. So one great thing about the F7N Elite is that the windshield mount also doubles up as your GPS receiver, and additionally the mount is able to rotate the camera close to 180 degrees. So you can easily turn around the camera left or right whenever you want, and you can record in that particular direction. Very few cameras offer this feature. So you get a lot of versatility in the overall design of this camera, and that's one of the reasons why the REDTIGER F7N Elite is one of the best selling dash cameras in India right now. So this is the rear camera module along with its connecting rear camera cable. So this rear camera is actually recommended or designed to be installed outside the car just below the number plate area. But of course you can install it inside the car as well on the rear windshield if you prefer to do so. But ideally it's recommended to be installed on the outside. You also do get some wiring clips. You also get an extra double side sticker, and REDTIGER has also provided an additional mount which you can probably use to install the rear camera on the rear windshield. You get an additional front camera mount with a pre-attached sticker, and you also get an additional extra spare sticker for the front camera. You also do get a wiring installation tool. So along with the additional mount for the rear, you do get an extra sticker along with screws for the rear camera unit. And lastly, you do get a main power cable with an L-shaped Type-C connector and a 12-volt car charger. Basically, it's a pre-attached 12-volt car charger with a dedicated USB port and a LED light indicator. So overall, the REDTIGER F7N Elite brings a lot of value, brings a very nice design, a very good and sturdy build quality. It's durable, it's long lasting, and since it provides you a Star-Vis 2 sensor and comes close to the price bracket of 15,000 rupees, makes this camera one of the hottest selling dash cams in India right now. That being said, if we do take a look at the video quality, so this is during daytime, and probably this is one of the best looking videos which I have seen in that particular price range. This video is sharp and crisp, the color accuracy is really good, the saturation levels, the contrast levels are looking extremely natural. Now since this is a 4K resolution backed with a Star-Vis 2 sensor, you get what's best possible within this price range. And considering this camera offers you nearly a bitrate of 21,000 kbps with a file size of about 154 MB per minute, and this camera shoots a 2160p at 25 fps, you can completely rely on this front camera's video quality in terms of grabbing any level of evidence which you might want from the front camera, including a detailed number plate read. Moving on to the rear camera quality, so this is one of the best looking rear cameras also which I've seen in this particular price range. You usually tend to see some haziness, you do usually tend to see some loss of sharpness, but in the rear camera of the F7N Elite, this is actually looking kind of good, even though considering that this is only a full HD resolution. In terms of bitrate and file size, this is obviously much lesser, so you have nearly 10,000 kbps of bitrate and a file size of about 72 MB per minute. So overall it brings down the memory storage area required within the memory card, and we'll kind of grab some more videos. So in those terms, the rear camera is doing justice to the price this camera comes at, and I think both the front and the rear camera combine together to give you a good overview of both front and the rear of the car. Moving on to the number plate read during daytime. So since this is 4K, you get the coolest number plate reads. All letters and numbers are clearly visible, and as said previously, you can totally rely on the front camera to grab any sort of a detail. Taking a look at the rear camera quality, so this is surprisingly good. You get one of the best looking number plate reads from any rear camera out there, and this is simply one of the finest rear camera number plate reads which I've seen in recent times. Moving on to the nighttime quality, so this is where the StarVis 2 comes into the picture. You get to see proper compensation for those well illuminated areas. You don't see the high glare from the oncoming headlights. You don't see the blob of lights in the middle of the screen. Even the signboards and nameplates and number boards all are well compensated. You can individually read out the letters and numbers, even those of the signboards, specifically the LED signboards. So overall, the StarVis 2 is doing complete justice to the REDTIGER F7N Elite, and this camera is producing one of the finest looking night footages available within that particular price range. And as told in the daytime footage, you can totally rely on this front camera even in nighttime to gather some evidence, to gather some important data which you might need from the dash cam in the future. Moving on to the rear camera quality, so this is also surprisingly good. Although it doesn't get a StarVis 2 sensor, you also see some level of softness in the image, not as sharp as the front camera, and that's totally understandable. Still, the camera quality is extremely good for what it's worth. The rear camera is doing total justice for the price it comes at, and I don't think there's a better rear camera available within that particular price range. So overall, I think the rear and the front camera, even during nighttime, are performing optimally, and you should definitely consider the REDTIGER F7N Elite if you want a balanced video performance, if you want a very good video performance, and you don't want to extend your budget beyond the 15 to 16,000 price range. Taking a look at the number plate read from the front camera during nighttime, so you can see that characteristic ghosting effect, the drag of the number plate which StarVis 2 is known for. But the important point to note is all letters and numbers are very well clearly visible, even though they were under the glare of my headlights, and this is where the StarVis 2 effect comes into the picture. Moving on to the rear camera's number plate read, surprisingly good. Again, similar to what we saw during the daytime, although the image does seem a bit on the softer side, the legibility of the numbers, the visibility of the number plate is extremely good, and this is something which I would depend upon in terms of capturing number plates from the rear camera. So what do you think now? Well, considering all of the aspects which you just saw in this video, I definitely think the REDTIGER F7N Elite is one of the well designed and well thought out products, and definitely deserves your attention. This is one of the most value for money products REDTIGER has introduced in recent times, and you should definitely consider the F7N Elite as your next dash camera if you have a budget of close to 15,000 rupees. And just in case if you're interested in grabbing this camera for yourself, the purchase link is given right down below in the description, and you might also grab some extra discount using the coupon code which I've also mentioned right down below in the description too. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding this cam, just write it down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a solid performing and a really good dash cam under the 15,000 price segment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.